about stratigraphic units of Jehlum group. There are 5 stratigraphic units in Jehlum group. These are Kevlar sandstone, Husak formation, Jutana formation, Baganwala formation, and Hesur formation. The objective of this lecture is to learn these 5 stratigraphic units in sequence according to their period of deposition. So we will learn these 5 units in 3 steps. 1. Keywords, 2. Story, and 3rd step, watching the story. Now come to the first step. Keywords. The keywords for these 5 stratigraphic units are Jem, Kaka, Jeb, Khesru. Now it is necessary to understand these keywords. The Jem is a flower. Kaka is a name used in a society for men. Jeb in Pashto language used for pocket, and Khesru is also a local name in our society. This key represent these 5 stratigraphic units. How? The Jem is a substitute word for Jehlum group. J-M, J-M, Jem. I am repeating. The Jem is a substitute word for Jehlum group. This K will stand for Kevlar sandstone. This K for Husak formation. J for Jutana formation. B for Baganwala formation. K for Hesur formation. This is just a key to remind us the stratigraphic units. Now we will apply the second step for learning this key. Story. The second step is story, but the story must be funny and it must contain these keywords. The story is: consider a person, you know him by the name Kaka, is a giant and he is eating jam, but it is not tasty. So he put out from his jab pocket Khesru and ate with jam. So this story contains these keywords: Kaka, jam, Khesru, jab. And there are many things ridiculous. Giant put out Khesru from jab and ate with jam. Focus on story. Kaka and Kaka is a giant, bigger than normal size. And he is eating jam. This is the pocket. Jab of Kaka. And this is Khesru lie in his pocket. Now come to the story. Kaka is a giant, bigger than normal size, and he is eating jam. But this jam is not tasty. So he put out Khesru from his pocket and ate this Khesru with jam. So this story is funny. Ridiculous. And it contains the keywords the story must be funny because funny things are easy for mind to remember. Now if someone asks you what the stratigraphic unit of Jehlum group, then go to the story. The substitute word for Jehlum group is jam. Go to the story. Who was eating jam? Actually, Kaka was eating jam. Then he put out from what? From his jab. What he put out? Khesru. So the story will remind you the key. Bye. Now the two step. The key and the story are ready for you. Now at your turn, watch this story just like you are watching a movie. Then you will never forget the stratigraphic units of Jehlum group and sequence. Once you apply these three methods and you learn these five stratigraphic units, then their contexts are easy to mention. For example, contact of Kevlar sandstone is conformable with Precambrian salt range formation, while the upper contact of Kevlar sandstone is conformable with Hussack formation. Now come to the Hussack. The lower contact of Hussack formation is conformable with Kevlar sandstone, while the upper contact is conformable with Jutana formation. Now come to the Jutana. The lower contact of Jutana formation is conformable with Hussack formation, while the upper contact is conformable with Baganwala formation. Now come to the Baganwala formation. Lower, upper. The lower contact of Baganwala formation is conformable with Jutana formation, while the upper contact of Baganwala formation is actually in salt range. Khesur formation is missing. Or you may say it is not deposited. Or it is eroded. I am repeating, in salt range Hissur formation is not present. So the lower contact of Baganwala formation is conformable with Jutana formation, while the upper contact of Baganwala formation is unconformable with Tubra formation, with Permian Tubra formation. Now let's summarize the given lecture. This video is about stratigraphic units of Jehlum group. So we will learn these 5 units in 3 steps: keywords, story, and watching the story. Once you apply these 3 methods, keyword, story, and watching the story, then you will never forget these 5 stratigraphic units. And once you learn these 5 stratigraphic units, then your contexts are obvious from this sequence. As I mentioned earlier, that the lower contact of Kevlar sandstone is conformable with salt range formation, while upper contact of Kevlar sandstone is conformable with Husak formation. Then come to the Husak formation. This is the lower, this is the upper. The lower contact is conformable with Kevlar sandstone, while upper contact is conformable with Jutana formation, and so on. But remember, Hissur is absent in salt range, so the upper contact of Baganwala formation is unconformable with Permian Tupra formation. The next lecture will be about stratigraphic unit of Neelavahan group. Thank you for watching.